So our gold for the day, let's see our analysis for our gold. As we can see, I'll start from our daily time frame, by the way. So our price has actually been falling, right? We are actually on a downward trend on our gold now. As we can see on our gold, we're actually on a downward trend, so we should be aiming for a sell, right? But we are actually having a retracement around this key area here, so which is very much likely we would not be seeing that huge fall yet. We possibly on a retracement level. So if we want to trade the retracements, now we should sit on our 4-hour time frame. As we have analyzed on this our retracement level, we are actually ranging within this our retracement level. On our 4-hour time frame, we are ranging. You can take care as our support and take up as our resistance level, which I've just highlighted, by the way. As you can see, our price has actually been ranging here. So as I've seen a drop on this my support level, I will be expecting a bullish move, except my price, except the gold breaks below my support level. Then I will now say, okay, we are actually on a downtrend. Then we can say, okay, let us start shorting. But if not, we would very much likely to go up on our pound, our gold to our USD. As we can see, our USD is actually, our USD index is actually going up, and our gold very soon should possibly be pushing down. So that is why I said, if we don't have this breakout on this our support level, then I would want to be going long on my gold. But if we add a breakout below it on our support level, then it is actually the right to actually short it. But let's see how our price will play out when it opens. That is why I said, once we have a breakout on our support level, we should actually aim to short it. But if not, we should actually take it as a ranging market within our support and our resistance level. Now on our 1-hour time frame, as you can see it here, our price actually ranging within our 1-hour time frame. So very much likely, it will continue to range like that, except our price breaks below our support level. If not, we very much likely to actually have a push up on our gold to our USD. That should be giving us about 773 points or 777 pips to grab. So that is the analysis for the day.